Hey guys, this is News to You, news.nty.com. It has a lot of different tools that you can use for language arts lessons or curriculum lessons, science, social science, maybe not math, but it has a lot of different tools that you can use. So it has current issues for language arts, and it's a way of keeping your students interacted while also keeping them informed of what's going on in today's news. So there's different levels. There's regular, higher, simplified, advanced, and text only. And so right now they have the Super Bowl Sunday, which ends on the 29th, and the Winter X Games, which just ended on the 22nd. You can come down here and start a class news or watch the tutorial to build your own if you want to make your own newspaper. And there's also some additional materials down here that you can use. So I just want to show you a newspaper. Let the little guy run. And it shows up with the whole news story that's really interactive. So it'll say Super Bowl Sunday is February 4th, and then it has different icons for Super Bowl Sunday has the equal sign, and February 4th has the calendar, so it has a lot of visuals to help with lower functioning students. And if you go back, there is also breaking news, which is similar, so you can look at the world and you can pick a multitude of things. So we can pick President's Speech and wait for it to load, and it comes up with a story about Donald Trump's recent speech. So this one has a little less visuals, and then if you go through it, it has the one with visuals that you can use, and there should be questions at the end. So you can read WH questions, and the answers also have visuals, so it really simplifies world news. And another thing I love about this website is, where is that? Symbolsticks. So I didn't mention this, but this website you have to pay for. So I used my boss's login to get into it. And if you come to search, it's kind of cool. I know there's a lot of stuff on Google that you can search for, but this is just simplified text, simplified pictures. So if you look for something like dog, it'll give you a bunch of different pictures of a dog, and you can pick any dog you want and come down here and you can download it, or you can add it to your symbols. And once it's in your symbols, then you can come back over to your symbols and it'll show which ones you've archived. I don't use this tool, but this is where they would show up. So it's pretty cool. There's a lot of really random things, like we were just reading about the president. So if you wanted to search for Trump, it comes up with Melania or Donald Trump. Or even with president, it should have a lot of different options. So it's pretty cool. It's cool to use for news lessons or the symbol sticks. The unique learning is cool too. It has, again, you have to pay for this. So, okay, our subscription's out. So if you want to buy it, you can spend $502, and I think it's for the year. So if we come back to current issues, it does, I forgot to show you, with any of the levels that are up here, it does have a COM board that you can use. it's already set up and designed for the lesson. So you just click on Conboard, and it's on here. If there's multiple, it'll allow you to search through it, but this one just has one word. So it's pretty cool. It goes directly with the story and offers you the visuals plus the vocab. So yeah, this is news to you. And I hope you enjoyed the video.